My name's Logan.
And my name is Jenna.
My name is Amber. You like that?
Did you know that my name is Eliana?
I just wanted to tell you that my name is Stephanie, okay?
Shut up, Mom.
It's not Mom. It's Stephanie.
Shut up.
My name's Taylor.
Hey Diesel, did you know my name is Allie?
I never introduced myself to you. My name is Mimi. Yeah. I never told you my name. Nice to meet you.
Did you know that my name is Ryan?
That my name is Amy.
Hey Tyson, I don't think I ever told you. My name is Michelle. We've been together like 7 years. I never told you my name. It's Michelle.
But my name is Imari. Oh. Why your ears go up like that? Did you just...
You wanna know my name? It's Tatum.
My name's not Mummy. It's actually Courtney. Benny. My name's not Mummy. It's actually Courtney.
Oh, do you care? Do you care what my name is? So yeah, my name is Desiree Henry. Yeah. Okay.
My name is not Mommy. My name is Laura.
My name is Brittany. You don't like that name?